Hi guys, welcome back to this concept based YouTube channel. Today we will discuss class 9 maths problem exercise 2.4 question number 5 Roman number 7. Here we are given with some polynomial. It is x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. We have to factorize this one as we can see from the question number 5, and after that we have to check it whether we can get px is equal to 0 or not. If we got p of x is equal to 0, then we can proceed it. But if we can't get 0 is equal with px, and then it is not possible for this question. Now, without delaying much time, let us proceed to this. Here, as we can see, we are given with some polynomial. It is exercise 2.4, question number 5, factorize Roman number 7. First of all, let us name this. Let p of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. And here, let us write first which value should you put here in order to get the values of p of x is equal to 0. You have to decide the one. In order to do that, first of all, if you put x values as x minus 1 equal to 0, then what is the values of x? It will be plus 1. Since when it moves this one on the other side, then it will become plus 1, right? Everyone is clear? Alright, then what is the values of x that we have? It is x is equal to 1. Now let us use the values of x is equal to 1 in each of this. First, let us put values of x that is minus 1, and here it will be 1 cube, it will be 2 1 square minus 1 minus 2. 1 cube will give you 1, and 2 into 1 square will give you 2, and after that it is minus 1, and then here we have minus 2, right? Now 1 minus 1, how much would it be? It will be 0. But in order to know it better, let us math like this, or let us count like this, and after that we will get 0 as the remainder. Now we got p of x is equal to 0, or p of 1 is equal to 0. Then what is our next step? If it is equal with 0, then what can we say about this? Thus, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. If it is factor of px, then we have to divide the given polynomial by this. In order to do that, you write it like this. Let us take this x minus 1 here. And what is the values of p of x that we have? It is x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. Let us write all this in here. It will be x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. How many variables or how many x should you multiply with here in order to get x cubed? It is x squared. If you multiply x and x squared, then it will be x cubed. Minus into plus will give you minus, and a 1 into x squared will give you x squared. Since we have minus, we have to change it by plus. Here it is plus, we have to change it in minus. Now what can we do about this? Here you can cut it, because x minus x cubed minus x cubed, it will be 0. In order to denote that, just mark it or just cut it like this. And after that, here we have plus. Plus into plus will give you plus. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. And after that, here we have x squared minus x minus 2. Now what is the sign that we have? You have to take into account that here we have plus. Then if it is plus, then we have to write plus here. Now what is this, here we have x, and here we have 3x squared. What number should you multiply here in order to get 3x squared? It is 3x. X into 3x will give you 3x squared. Minus into plus will give you minus. And a 1 into 3x will give you 3x. What is the sign that we have? Here it is minus. It should be plus. What is the sign that we have? Here it is plus. It should be minus. And right after this, you have to check it. Is there any number that you can cut? If it is there, then you have to mark it or you have to denote that. And right after this, you'll move it to the next. That is minus. Here it will be plus. Minus into plus will give you minus. That means 3x minus x. It will be 2x. But the sign just before the greater number, it is plus. Just because of that, we took plus. And no need to write plus. Just keep it as it is. And here we have minus 2. Just take it down from here to this. And what is the sign that we have? It may be minus, it may be plus. Whatever the sign that you have to put it here. X, how many times should you multiply with here in order to get 2x? It is 2. X times 2, it will give you 2x. Minus plus minus. 1 into 2 will give you 2. And what is the sign that we have? Here it is minus. It should be plus. Here it is plus. It should be minus. And right after this, as we already discussed, here we have 2x plus 2x. Here we have minus 2x. 2x minus 2x, it will give you 0. In order to do that, this, we just mark it or we just cut it. And after that, we have this one. Here it is minus 2. Here it is plus 2. If it is like this, then you can cut it or you can subtract and the remainder will be 0. Now in order to denote this, just mark it or just cut it, and finally we will get this one. What is the remainder that we got? It is 0. If it is 0, then we have to factorize this or we have to split this one into 2 parts. Same as the problem that we did just before this question, that is factorization 3 times. Now after we got remainder equal to 0, what is our next step? It is, you have to write this one, the given polynomial here. It is x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. And what is the values? You have to take this one and as well as this. X minus 1. And what is this? X squared plus 3x plus 2. Now let us write this same as it is. If there is no number that is written, then it means that it is 1. 1 times 2, that will give you 2. 2 times 1 will give you 2, right? And whatever the sign that you have, you will use this one. And what is the number that you are going to use? That is the one that you took in LCM. That you have to take it in order to split this one, and then you have to use this plus. Right after this, you will get 2 plus 1. If you plus this 2, then you will get 3. And if you multiply this 2, then you will get the product that we got after multiplying this number as well as this. Clear? Here we have x. Let us write that. And after that, you have to take it down this. Two times of x will give you 2x. Here we have plus. 1 times of x will give you x plus 2, right? And x minus 1. Now let us try to take common out of these two. In order to do that, first let us take this x outside, and here let us give 1x. X times x will give you x squared. X times 2 will give you 2x. And 1 times x will give you x plus 1 times 2 will give you 2, right? x minus 1. First you have to take this, and after that it will be x plus 2. And what is this? X plus 1. Let us take that again. Is it clear to all of you guys? If it is clear, then this is all about the problem that we are about to solve today. And if you want to change the place where you put or the place where you keep this, then you can change it. That's up to you. It will be x plus 1. Just write this 2 first, and after that you have to write this. You can change it even in this way. That's up to you. And if you want to keep it up to this, then it's okay. And if you want to do it more, or if you want to extend it one line, then it's up to you. That doesn't matter. This is all about the problem that we will be discussed today. Guys, if you have any problem in understanding all this, please comment down below. And if you find helpful in watching my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos to come. That's all for today. Wish you all the best. Thank you.